how to block someone on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome in this video. I will show you guys today how to do this. Just follow me in this video till the end. So let's start. First guys, you need to go and open your TikTok. After this, when your TikTok is opening, wait, I will cut the sound. When your TikTok is opening, as you see, you should come and for example, search for the person that you wanna block. For example, this person, I will click on it like this. And what I should do right now, I will just click on this 3 points at the corner of the page. And what I should do right now, I will click block and click block, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.